Hey you guys, this is Kiki, owner of Egyptian, and you guys, we are back with another video. Today's video is the inventory haul. Y'all, I've been off my Zoom, but I'm coming back. So let's open the first one. This is from TikTok shop. I didn't cave in. I just want to see what the hype was about with this product. As y'all know, the famous Guru mouthwash everybody's over here hyping up. I just want to see what the hype was about. It comes with the toothbrush, like everybody said. It comes with the tongue scraper and the famous oil pulling oil rinse. So I'm gonna get my oil pulling on, see what the hype is about, and I do a video on my review. Next package. I went to shop for some stuff for my good lord, for my t-shirts, because everybody else's products I feel as though it's not giving what I needed to give. Yep. Then I bought their heat transfer paper. Trying to see what the new hype is about too. They said they revamped their formula, so bought 2 of those. We're gonna put them underneath my new thing. I love it. Now let's move on to the big box, the big showtime. They got me my invoice. Large and medium. So let's see. Those are my extra large, medium. So yeah, all my colors in there. Alright, yeah guys, this is the end of the inventory haul. Y'all want to see more videos? Let me know. Bye.